Really excited to bring you some brand new features that you're absolutely going to love. Many have been highly requested, so let's get right into it. The first is we announced last week, but we have Google Demand Gen campaigns live in place. So you can create Google Demand Gen campaigns, Google Search, PMax, YouTube, display calls. So really the full creative Google Ads suite that you would create inside of Google Ads, you can pretty much create everything right inside of Play. So we already announced this last week. What I really want to show you is something that's been super highly requested is the ability to turn your existing ads or ads that you create inside of Play into templates that you can share to all of your clients. So this works great. Like let's say you work with a bunch of real estate agents or roofers or plumbers, whatever it is. Even if you didn't create your ads inside of Play, you can import them, you can manage them, but you can turn those high performing ads into templates that you can share to the rest of your clients. So you can just tap this option right here to convert this ad into a template. And you can tap view templates right here. And this is bringing the creative, the targeting from that existing ad into a template. So you can preview it right here. You can add your custom fields to it as well. So you can go here, like let's say, we want to change this business name out to, a certain custom field right here. You can remove this business name. And when you share this over to your clients, it's automatically going to match their business name, their website, their location, whatever other custom field you want to add. It's going to match their business details when you share it over to them. You can make any changes to it that you want before you save it. So like, let's say this one looks good. We want to save this template right here, this ad mockup. And now once this is saved, you can tap share and you can share it to all of your clients, or you can share it to specific clients. So it's just a very easy way for you to share high performing ads to all of your clients. And the other feature that we launched is like, once you come into Play, you can just prompt in whatever you want. You can type in like tire shop, luxury modern home in LA, whatever you want, and we'll generate all of your creative for you. Once you generate that, we have a full creative suite inside of Play. And before we kind of showed all these icons, which kind of made it a little bit confusing, but you can also tap here to generate or select up to 10 videos, and you'll still see all of the icons right here for different types of creatives. Like let's say you want to do AI avatars, you can tap here. Let's say you want to, go from scratch, design studio, pull in from Shutterstock, pull in from your own media across your socials, as well as just a very clear explanation as far as like what are each of these creative options doing. So again, you'll still have all of the creative options that you normally have. It's just kind of cleaned up to make it a little bit simpler for you and for your clients. So another update that we launched is really just making this clients, brands, workspace area very easy to manage and use. So, if you want to create a workspace, you could just tap this option right here. Workspaces are great for managing multiple brands, clients, locations, different products. They help you keep everything organized. So your pages, your analytics, your ads, everything just really organized into one specific workspace. So you can add a name in here like Nike shoes, for example, and tap create. And now you have your workspace Nike shoes. You'll already see it selected right here. You can start coming in here, connecting the ad accounts, doing whatever you want. It's like just a really nice way to store all of the brand information in one workspace. If you're managing ads for clients, this is the best way to do it. The other option is like a white labeling option for Play. So you can connect your own custom domain right here. And this is like a branded client portal that your clients can come in, they can launch their ads, they can review analytics, they can connect their own ad accounts as well, and then you get the higher access. So it's just a faster onboarding process, and everything's branded under you. We take care of the hosting, the credentials, the security, everything's already handled. You just link your own domain, like bestagency.com, whatever your domain is, and Play will be hosted on your own domain. You'll see HighLevel right here as well, so you could run Play inside of HighLevel. Just a very easy tutorial as well as how you can add it in under 5 minutes. So with that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.